Tesla's V4 Supercharger stations are set to revolutionize electric vehicle charging. With support for up to 500 kilowatts for passenger EVs and a staggering 1.2 megawatts for Tesla semi-trucks, these stations promise a significant leap in charging capabilities. The V4 Superchargers aren't just about power, they're a complete overhaul. New features include built-in payment terminals and longer cables to accommodate non-Tesla EVs. Integrated combined charging system connectors eliminate the need for adapters. The redesigned power cabinets can power up to 8 stalls, doubling the charging speed potential compared to V3 stations. This upgrade is a game-changer for high-voltage EVs from brands like Porsche, Hyundai, and Kia. Previously limited by V3 stations, these vehicles can now charge at full potential on Tesla's network. The enhanced voltage capabilities address the slower charging speeds that have been a concern. Tesla's V4 Superchargers are a crucial infrastructure upgrade for the EV industry. By enhancing charging technology and accommodating non-Tesla EVs, Tesla is pushing the boundaries of EV adoption. These upgrades directly address the need for higher voltage support, highlighted by recent coverage of Porsche Taycan charging speeds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.